Good morning students, welcome back to our class. I hope you are going through this video and clearing your concepts. If not so, please do it and utilize your time. So, today we are going to learn geography lesson number 3, physiography and drainage. This chapter is about a comparative study of India and Brazil with reference to physiography and drainage. So, firstly, we are going to study the comparative study of physiography of India and Brazil. There are five physiographic divisions of India. They are the Himalayas, the North Indian plains, the peninsula, the coastal regions, and island groups. So, firstly, we are going to learn first physiographic division of India, that is Himalayas. Himalaya is one of the young-fold mountains in the world and major mountain systems of continent of Asia. Himalayan ranges in south north directions are Shivalik, the southernmost range, then lesser Himalayas, and third is greater Himalayas. Many trans-Himalayan ranges are also located to the north of Himalayan range. Now Himalayan ranges in west and east direction. Western Himalayas, that is also known as the Kashmir Himalayas. Central Himalayas, that is also known as Kumaon Himalayas. And Eastern Himalayas, that is known as Assam Himalayas. Now, next physiographic division of India is North Indian Plains. North Indian Plains are also divided into three subdivisions. They are Ganga Plains, Thar Desert, and Punjab Haryana Plains. Features of Ganga Plains. The delta of Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers, that is also known as Sundarbans, extends in the state of West Bengal in India and Bangladesh. Sundarban is the largest delta region in the world. Now, feature of Thar Desert. The western part of North Indian plains is occupied by the Thar Desert or Marusthali. The state of Rajasthan is occupied by the Thar Desert. Features of Punjab Haryana plains. The plains of Punjab lies to the north of Thar Desert. It has very fertile soil, so that's why agriculture is highly developed in this region. Now, third physiographic division of India is Peninsula. The Aravallis mountain range is located in the northern part. Vindhya and Satpura ranges are located in the central part. Western Ghats is located in the western part and Eastern Ghat is located in the eastern parts. Plateaus. So, plateaus includes series of plateaus bordering the plain regions. Fourth physiographic division of India is the coastal region of India. The coastal region of India is also divided into two features, that is features of western coastal region of India and features of eastern coastal regions of India. Features of western coastal region of India. Borders the Arabian Sea. It has rocky and comparatively narrower. Short and westward flowing rivers to the western coast and meet the Arabian Sea. Rivers from the estuaries in the western coastal region. Now we are going to learn about the features of eastern coastal region of India. It borders the Bay of Bengal. It is comparatively broader. Long and eastward flowing rivers flow to the eastern coast and meet the Bay of Bengal. Rivers from deltas in the eastern coastal regions. Now island groups. Island groups also divided into two features. The features of island in Lakshadweep Island group and the features of island in Andaman Nicobar Island groups. Lakshadweep Island groups. It is located in the Arabian Sea. It is a tall islands, comparatively small in extent and are short in height. Now features of Andaman Nicobar Island group. It is located in the Bay of Bengal. Volcanic islands, comparatively large in extent and have hilly regions in their interior parts. Barren Island has the only active volcano in India. Nicobar group. It is most of the islands and are atoll islands. Now, we are going to learn about the physiographic division of Brazil. So, Brazil has also a 5 physiographic division. They are the highlands, the Great Escarpment, the coastal region, the plains and the island groups. First is given the highlands. Most of the region of Brazil is covered by highlands. The highlands of Brazil and Guiana highlands together form the core of the continent of South America. The information of these highlands is as highlands. They are Guiana highlands or shield and Brazilian highlands. Now Guiana highland. Located in the northern part, Pico di Neblina peak is the highest peak, that is 3,1400 meter, lying on the border between Brazil and Venezuela. Now Brazilian highland. It is located in the southern and eastern part. Northern slope. Now we are going to learn Amazon and its tributaries flow from the northern slope. Many rapids and waterfalls are formed by these rivers. Rivers originating from the northern slopes meet the Atlantic Ocean. Now southern slope. Major rivers like Uruguay, Paraguay and Paraná originates from southern slope. These rivers flow from Brazil and enter Argentina. Now eastern slope, very steep, forming the Great Escarpment. Now second division of physiographic division is the Great Escarpment. The Great Escarpment borders the eastern side of the Brazilian highlands. So its features: the nature and the altitude of the Great Escarpment. From Sao Paulo to Porto Alegre, the height of the Brazilian highlands or the plateaus decreases remarkably, leading to the formation of Great Escarpment. The altitude of the Great Escarpment or the eastern side of the Brazilian highland is approximately 790 meter. The effect of Great Escarpment on climate. It acts as a barrier to the southeast trade winds. It leads to the heavy rains in the Brazilian coastal areas, and it also gives rise to the rain shadow area, north quadrilateral to the northeast of the Brazilian highland. Third physiographic division is the coast. The coastline of the Brazil extends for approximately 7,400 km. It is divided into the northern coast and the eastern coast. Important features of the northern coast. It extends from the Amapá province in the north to Rio Grande do Norte. Maranhão Island, Maranhão and São Marcos Bays lie on this coast. Features of the eastern coast. It extends from Rio Grande do Norte to the south. Many small rivers flow to the eastern coast and meet South Atlantic Ocean. São Francisco is the only major river meeting the South Atlantic Ocean in this region. Many beaches and the sand dunes and complexes lie on the eastern coast of the Brazil. In some areas, the eastern coast of Brazil is protected by coral reefs and atoll islands. Fourth feature is the plains. The plains in Brazil is divided into Amazon basin in the north and Paraguay Paraná source region in the southwest. The information of the plains in Brazil is Amazon plains. First, the largest plain land of the Brazil. It lies between Guiana highlands and Brazilian highlands. Width of the maximum, that is nearly 1300 km in the west. The width is minimum, that is 240 km, where the Guiana highlands and Brazilian highlands come closer. Most of the area is inaccessible. The plains of Paraguay and Paraná rivers. It is located to the southwest of the Brazilian highlands. It is near the source region of Paraguay and Paraná rivers. Important features of Pantanal region. One of the largest wetlands in the world. It is characterized by the swamps and marshes. It is located towards the southwest of the Brazilian highlands, extending in the state of Mato Grosso do Sul. Islands. This is fifth feature of the Brazil physiography. Besides mainland, some islands are also included in Brazil. So their classification are as coastal islands and marine islands. So important features of coastal islands. It is formed due to depositional work of Amazon River basin and its tributaries. They are near the eastern coast of Brazil in South Atlantic Ocean and are coral islands atolls. Now features of marine islands, where a part of marine or mainland of Brazil. It is located in the Atlantic Ocean and nearly 300 km away from the mainland of Brazil. It is rocky and they are the tops of the submerged mountains. So as right now, my dear students, I have explained you third lesson, physiography and drainage, and I taught you today the comparative study of the physiography of India and Brazil. So in this video we are up to this only. Goodbye.